The extension used for French coil is quite different from normal braiding extension. So the preparation of the prepping of the extension is also different. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to prep your French coil extension before braiding. Hope you enjoy this video. Welcome back to PCChair's hair channel. So this is the extension used for French coils. So I'm going to be starting. First of all, remove the rubber band. You remove the rubber band, open. Just watch slowly how I'm doing it. You see, French coil extension needs to be handled with care, because any little or slight disarrangement, then it's gone. It will get tangled and the extension is damaged. Do you get? Because it comes coiling naturally. And you know when something is coiling, when you are removing it, just like if you want to remove it like you are braiding normal hair, it's going to get tangled. So you need a way that you can detangle it, separate the extension first before braiding. Do you get? So that's why this is the reason for this video, to show you how you can detangle or separate your French coil extension for easy braiding. So I'm going to be dividing it into two. You get? I'm going to divide it into two because I don't want it to be much. Because if this French coil falls on the ground and it's scattered, it's very hard to arrange it back. It's just like you are wasting different, and it's expensive. So I carried water. You just need only water for this. Don't even put anything. Some people, they put conditioner, but me, I did not put anything. They put leave-in conditioner or oil, but you don't need to put anything. Just don't scatter it though. Don't just be dipping it. Like watch what I'm doing. Just dip it like that. Make sure you hold it firmly so that no strands will fall down. Dip it slowly. Dip it like that. Make sure the water flows through the extension well. So after making sure the extension is fully wet, you just touch it like this. Just fully, if you want to know, just follow the arm, just touch it like this, separating it like this. You need to handle it with care. You need to just be handling it with care. Do you get? Just be doing it like this. Just closely watch. So because this French coil extension is a 3-in-1 color, I needed to just separate it and mix up the color well so I can get a colorful braid. You can see that because of the extension, the French coil extension is wet, it's easy for separation. You don't need to be dragging it to like with force. Small. You can see with the care I'm using it to separate. I'm not dragging it first. Vroom. No, it's not with force. You small. When it gets to the end and you see that it's not separating anymore, you use your hand to just detangle it a little. Just use your hand to touch it, or touch a little water, and you understand. So you now understand why you need to wet the French coil before separation. You get? And now, as the French coil is wet, you need to separate it to different fragments. Do you understand? You need to separate it to a different portion you want to braid with. Separate everything, because if you don't while it's wet, it's going to get tangled when it's dried. So you need to separate each portion look at it, I've separated it. Then you can start your braiding from here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.